Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be making some of my son's favorite lunchtime meals. The chili hot dog, the glizzy, whatever you want to call it. That's what they call it these days, teenagers, but this is what I use. So it's a very simple, it's hot dog chili sauce, ketchup, mustard, and I'm going to spice up that chili just a little bit. So this is canned chili. I'm not even making homemade chili because today is a very busy day. But I'm going to not serve it straight out the can. I'm going to add a little bit of brown sugar and I'm going to add a little bit of ketchup. So after I add that, you just simply heat it on the stove and stir it up just a tad bit. And that's it. Just leave it on a simmer and that's all set to go. Now, of course, you can add some more heat to it if you want to add some cayenne pepper, but my boys don't like a lot of heat, so this is good enough for them. To go along with these hot dogs, I'm going to be serving some french fries. So again, this is just a nice simple lunch for them. This is the hot dog buns, and I've got the hot dogs in the pot getting ready to boil. So as you can see, the chili is now heating up. I've got the fries on the back eye, and we're about to head over and start getting these buns together. Now, there are no particular buns that I prefer. I'll buy the store brand. This time I happen to get the ballpark buns, but I just get whatever buns are on sale. Same thing with chili. They seem to love this brand of chili. It's just the store brand of chili. And for hot dogs, my son does have a specific brand of hot dog that he likes. But just use whatever hot dog you like, and that's it. This is ready to go in minutes. So the hot dogs have boiled, the chili has been warmed up, the french fries are ready, and I'm now just layering on the flavor for these glizzies. So I'm adding on the chili sauce. I have two sons, and of course, no two kids are ever the same, right? So they don't want their hot dogs the same. So I'm going to make my oldest son Ian's hot dogs first. So of course he wants the chili on his hot dog, and for Ian, he likes ketchup and mustard. Neither one of my boys are fans of onions, but if you also like onions, feel free to add on the onions. So now that I have the chili on, I'm going to go over and get the ketchup and just start to add a little drizzle of ketchup on this hot dog, and then another drizzle of ketchup on his second hot dog. Now I'm going to add the mustard, and they like just the plain old yellow mustard, nothing fancy, no spicy mustard, just plain yellow mustard. And again, nothing fancy about mustard. You can use store brand or you can use name brand. Mustard is mustard in my house. And for my youngest son, he just likes chili and mustard, no ketchup on his hot dog. And I'm just going to do a little zigzag pattern and then add some fries to the plate, and that is it. So thank you all so much for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not done so already. Take care, and I will of course talk to you in the next video. Bye for now.